How's it going, guys? Well, I've been working on Mighty Mouse all day, and a good friend of mine that doesn't want to be named went ahead and ordered me a starter for Mighty Mouse, so I go ahead and get it running. I'll just pay him back after payday. So I got the starter on it, and got everything wired up. Fixed a couple other little ins and outs on it. Nothing real major, just stuff I wanted to make sure that I was done right. So, but let's go ahead and start up, and y'all see how it runs now. So as you can see, it runs. That's a good thing. I'm still gonna need to take it for a test drive. I gotta pick up everything, get this tent down and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and take it down the street and see if it's still popping and cracking, which I doubt it is. I set the base timing at 14. Top out timing is about 20. Was it 28? So she should run a hell of a lot better now. Keep going for updates, and hopefully I can get Mighty Mouse driving around a little bit. And maybe people, I'm still thinking about selling it or trading it for a Fox body, because I really want a Fox body right now. I don't know why I want a Fox body, but I really want a Fox body. 302, 5-speed, or 331, you know. Even if I could find a one somebody swapped a 351 into, that would be cool. But I want it to be a 5-speed, and I want some air conditioning because I'm getting old and I hate driving stuff without air conditioning. So anyway, but that's where I'm at with Mighty Mouse. She fired up. Awesome day. All right, later, guys.